Hey, what's up, traders? 7/13/2015. I'm giving you an update of the market action today. It was a lot of action in the markets over the last couple of days. But I posted a few videos, earlier, giving you guys exact details of some of the stocks that we actually traded, some of the questions that you guys have on specific stocks like Shake Shack, Wing. I went over most of those charts for you guys. All right. So those of you guys who missed out, I suggest you go back to my page, or better yet, go to my Facebook page. Okay, it'll take you to my YouTube page. You could find my Facebook page at Mr. Luke MRLUC 11428 at yahoo.com. And on my YouTube page, you can just type in jluc, or type in the number three letter D consult me at Gmail, and my video should come up. All right. So some of the charts that we had went over was Apple, GoPro, Tesla, Shake Shack, JetBlue, Southwest Airlines, Netflix, and Wing. All right, there's a couple of more that I should have went over. I didn't have the time. I didn't get the chance to, but I still got the emails for Lowe's, Home Depot, Under Armour, and there was something else. Electronic Arts. All right, I'm gonna go over those charts. I'm definitely gonna go into Netflix. Netflix, I said earlier they was gonna split on the 14th. Well, the 14th is tomorrow, so tomorrow I would definitely be paying a lot of attention to the stock and the price action tomorrow to see what they do with Netflix. All right, because like I said before, investors, everybody got Netflix going higher. All right, doesn't mean it's gonna go higher, but when the momentum is there, the hype is there, the media is there, CNBC guys are there hyping it up, pushing it up. Hey, just like Apple, when they start hyping something up, they can hype it for a few days. You don't see what I'm saying? So I would look to trade into Netflix once I see the price action between tomorrow and Wednesday. So I'll probably wait maybe Wednesday, or maybe probably after, when the market slows down, right before market close on tomorrow, to actually buy some Netflix. All right, and I'm gonna go over some of the other stocks that you guys mentioned, that I should have went over that I didn't get a chance to. So I apologize for that. I'm gonna try to squeeze them in, tonight. But again, I'm gonna go over Lowe's, Home Depot, EA, and I don't remember, there was one more, but it's written down. But anyway, to make a long story short, the videos that I posted earlier, those of you guys who didn't get a chance to go over them, you should go over the videos. Take a pen, take a pen and a paper, write down, exactly some of the prices I say. Okay, write those prices down, and then after you write those prices down, listen to the reason why I gave you those prices, and then go look at the same company today and where it closed at today. So if you was watching Shake Shack, you was watching Netflix, you was watching Apple, you was watching JetBlue, you was watching Southwest. I went over all those charts. All right. So those of you guys who traded, who made money, when I went over the ES chart yesterday, I told you if the market conditions went from, what was it? It was 20. I think it was 2070 when it opened at 6 o'clock. The futures market opened at 6 o'clock. It dropped all the way down, okay, to 2059. What did I tell you guys? All right, when I went over my videos, I told you if it kept on going where it was going towards the moving averages, that if it can hold here on the pullback in the morning, 4 o'clock, when the investors come in and they start to move shares around, then the futures are gonna stay up and the market is gonna open on the upside. Okay, and if you was trading this morning, the market popped up early, so you could have took profit right off the table. All right, I'm personally still in JetBlue also. JetBlue had a lot of pre-market action because they pushed the stock all the way to 2020. All right, and then I was waiting for it to come back and test that during the trading session, but it never came back to test those levels. All right, so I'm gonna be looking at JetBlue. I'm gonna be looking at Netflix. Okay, mostly Netflix, because there's a lot of hype behind Netflix tomorrow. So those of you guys who's following me, who's trying to learn how to do this, okay, as usual, feel free to send me an email and get in contact with me. The number 3, the letter D, consult me at Gmail. Investors, you're looking to invest, you're looking for me to trade for you, you're looking to make some money, feel free to send me an email. The number 3, the letter D, consult me at Gmail. Peace.